and welcome to my channel where I share recipes for the perfect baked goods. Today we'll be making moist banana bread using my foolproof recipe and method. Stay with me, guys. Welcome back, guys. So we all know that the first step in baking is prepping your pans and preheating your oven. I already have my pan prepped. I've lined it with parchment paper, buttered it first of all, so we'll set this aside and go to the next step. Now we have to mash our bananas. This is about 7 to 9 bananas, and I would roughly mash them up. You can mash them up according to your taste, roughly, smoothly. You can use a potato masher, or you could just go in with your fork. So I would mash this up and have it into a smooth paste. Next, I'll be showing you some flavors. Now, this is Dream Africana flavor. This is really, really rich, and it's a magic portion, guys. I don't know if you can lay your hands on this, but if you can get it here in Nigeria, please do. It changes your baking game. Now, this is my Dream flavor Africana, and this is in vanilla flavor. I would be mixing a bunch of other flavors because this is actually a secret to getting really nice tasting and smelling banana bread. I have my condensed milk and vanilla flavor, and then I have my banana flavor, of course. So all this will be going into the mix to give it a rich taste and aroma. Next, we will be measuring out our flour. Now, this is already sieved flour, and we're going to measure it using a scale. Guys, you want to get a digital scale. You want to get this kind of scale that can give you accurate reading, because this would help you bake perfect, baked goods. So get a scale, guys, or use your cups or something, but do not go measuring your items offhand, guys. That will not do, and you won't get perfect cake. So we've measured this to 480 grams. You would get the full description, the full recipes and measurements in the description box. Next, we'll be measuring sugar, and like I said, you have to go in with your scale so you get the accurate reading. Now, I know a lot of people do not like too much sugar in their baked goods, cakes and whatnot, so you can actually reduce your sugar by about 2 tablespoons, just to get a balance, or you can add some salt. I would leave the measurement in the description box so you know the amount of salt. Add about 1/4 teaspoon. So now we have our array of ingredients. This is everything we'll be working with, all set out, all pre-measured. This is our flour already sieved and measured out, about 480 grams. This is our oil. This is an oil-based recipe, guys. That means we will be using oil, not butter or melted margarine or anything. So that's our oil, sugar. This is our banana mashed, like I showed you in the beginning of this video, and this is eggs. We have about 6 eggs there. These are our aromatics. We have nutmeg, cinnamon. They're all in the description box, guys. Go check it out. Now, this is one of our magic potion, guys. This is yogurt. Yogurt changes the moisture content of your cake. It makes it moist. It makes it, rich. You need to add yogurt to your banana bread, guys. You need to. This is a secret nobody will tell you about, but I'm giving it to you free of charge. So like and leave a comment and let me know when you have tried this out. So yes, we have buttermilk and the rest, and now we're going to go straight into mixing our batter. This is a very simple recipe. We only need 2 items. We need our scraper and we need a whisk. You don't need too much tools for this. Now, first of all, what you want to do is add your sugar to your oil, or your oil to your sugar, any which ways you want to go in. Put that in and give it a good mix. Mix it and make sure that everything melts down and incorporates. It's not going to melt away, guys, but just make sure it incorporates well. Now, next we go in with the eggs. Guys, it's important to scrape out your liquid when you pour them in, just so that you can get everything out. That's why the scraper is important. Now, after that, you want to stir this up and mix the eggs in really well. Stir it, give it a good stir, and get it fully incorporated. Next, we go in with our buttermilk. Guys, if you want me to show you how to make buttermilk, leave a comment and I will do that in my next video. But generally, buttermilk is vinegar and milk are mixed together. Now we're going in with our flavors. This flavor, like I said in the beginning, is a magic potion, so you want to use it sparsely. Now this is banana flavor. The measurements are in the description box. So after adding our flavors, we want to mix our liquid together properly. Mix it up, guys. Mix it properly and just make sure all the ingredients incorporate into each other. Then the next step is our mashed banana. Add your mashed banana to the liquid ingredients and stir it properly. So after stirring in your mashed bananas, you want to add your liquid ingredients to your dry ingredients, which is basically your flour mix. So here you can see me doing that. You can add your flour to the liquid or pouring the liquid into the flour, whatever works for you. Just make sure that you stir properly so that it doesn't come up with lumps. So here you can see me whisking that in. Guys, what I like to do, in order for me not to over stir my batter, it is important to not over mix your batter. If not, so you have really hard banana. So what I do is I stir this for a while, just a short while, as you can see, until everything is fully incorporated, and that has happened now. So next I would add my yogurt, the magic portion. So we'll add our yogurt into this. Remember, guys, that we didn't stir this too much because we're still going to mix this after adding yogurt to it. So after adding yogurt, I would whisk this up a bit, just a bit, guys. And then, like I was saying earlier, after adding my yogurt, what I love to do is use my spatula, my scraper, and just fold this in. I do not whisk for too long. I just fold it in because it doesn't need to be whisked, guys. Do not whisk for too long, else you come out with really strong, hard banana bread. So yes, guys, this is ready, and we're ready to put this into our pans that we already prepped. So some people like to use a scale to measure out their butter. If you want to do this, that's also good, because then you'll be able to get actual equal bread when you come out of the oven. So if you want to bake with 1,000 grams, that's a kg, or maybe 600 grams or something, you can do that, so you come out with equal cakes. This is it, guys. This is magic in a pan. Trust me, this is a truth when it comes to banana bread. I want you all to try this. Go mix it the same way I have shown you. Use the measurements in the description box and come back and tell me how it went. Guys, don't sleep on this. Like this video, subscribe if you have not hit the subscription button. Do it right now, because I'll be giving you a lot of freebies from the goodness of my heart. So do that right now. We are back, guys, and this is our baked banana bread. Trust me, it tastes every bit as delicious as it looks. It is rich, it is moist, it is just the right amount of sweetness, and most of all, it has a rich rich aroma and taste. So guys, go bake yours and come tell me how it went. Don't sleep on this, guys. This is the best recipe you can get out there. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and leave a comment. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let me know what other recipes you would like me to make. Bye for now, guys.